Hey there YouTube, welcome back to another vlog video. Today's vlog, we're on our way to Karachi from Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and we're gonna take the Green Line train, so see you. This is the railway station at Rawalpindi. Let's just put our luggage in here. So we're at the train station. This is not our train, but still a very long train. Seems like there's a lot of people here. So it looks like our train is coming. It's on the way. It stopped.
We found our cabin, so let's enter. This is the interior of our cabin. So I found my seat, now let's get comfortable. Let's see what they have on the display. Let's switch to English. Movies.
Okay, now we're moving. It looks like there's some stalls here. Well, we're moving very slowly.
There was this lonely cabin in the distance.
So we got a samosa here. They gave us samosa as a early snack.
Right after the samosa, they served juice.
It's okay. Seems like we've moved a bit faster now.
This is how close a train passes by.
ख़वातीनो हज़रात, हम कुछ ही देर में चिकलाला स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं।
We've arrived at Chaklala station. There were just a few people that got on. This view of a river was by far the best view I've seen from the train. There are a few villages we can see on the way. This is the second train that's passed by. The train wasn't too fast, it was only going 78 kilometers an hour. In the distance we can see the sun setting. We can see that this might be an industrial area because there were chimneys in the distance. Here's a view of another village. You can see that some people are playing volleyball over there. Unlike what we have seen before, this is just barren land. This felt a bit scary because I know we were going over a bridge. Oh look, there's a tiny pond over there. First we had a pond, and now we have a lake. The next station is Lahore, but we'll get there tomorrow. It's getting dark, but we can still see the beautiful views and the beautiful greenery outside. Look at all of these hills. So many of them. And there's no one here either. Here we can see some farmland in the distance. Okay, now it's getting really dark. Okay, now it's pitch black. I can't even see anything.
You guys probably saw it's pitch black outside.
I'm watching cricket right now because there's no other sport to watch.
5 hours later.
मुअज़्ज़ज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, हम कुछ ही देर में लाहौर स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं.
So we've arrived at the Lahore station. If you guys can vaguely see, I'm still at the Lahore station, or we're about to leave, and I got my food. This right here is yogurt, but it has cumin seeds in it. So let's remove the cover. So can't really see clearly, but here we have rice, here we have some dal, here we have some salan or curry, here we have some bread, and for dessert we have a gulab jamun. So let's just remove this cover real quick. And here's our food. Well, my was actually correct. Here we have biryani or rice. Here we have dal. Here we have salan or curry with a green chili. Here we have some naan or bread. And for dessert, we got gulab jamun. The fastest the train has traveled so far.
The next morning.
Now it's 8 a.m. and I've arrived at the Rohri station. Similar to the Lahore station, there's also a bunch of cold stores here where you can get food from fast food, drinks, and whatnot. This is the front of the train that was passing by earlier. Now it's 8 a.m. and I slept around 2 a.m. Right after recording the Rohri signboard. There was breakfast on my side. So what I mean by breakfast is they gave us some chai. So this is chai. And for breakfast they gave us I guess paratha and egg. They also gave us a bathroom amenities kit with bathroom amenities in it. In the bathroom amenities kit we got the stuff. So firstly we got a shaving kit, a comb, and a dental kit. So here's our paratha. So just looking outside, and a guy came up to me and he gave me banana milkshake. So let's try it. It's not sweet. And then there were sheeps.
मुअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीनो हज़रात, हम कुछ ही देर में हैदराबाद स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं।
Approximately 3 hours after getting my banana milkshake, we arrived at the Hyderabad train station. So this is Lansdowne Bridge, also known as Indus Bridge, and it was built back in 1898, I suppose, like back in the 19th century by the Americans. On the way we were passing by some windmills. Karachi has 2 stops. First we have Brig Road and then we have Kant Station. This place is called Landi, and apparently it's where all the fruits and vegetables are grown for Karachi.
Landi पहुंच गए Landi.
हम कुछ ही देर में ब्रिग रोड स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं।
We finally arrived at Brig Road train station. At Brig Road, this is the passenger waiting area. Now we've reached the end of Brig Road train station. So we just passed by the second last station, which was Brig Road, and then after that, which is our stop, is going to be Karachi Kant Station. Apparently that's what it's called.
हम कुछ ही देर में कराची स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं। ये हमारे सफ़र का आखिरी स्टेशन है। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपका सफ़र खुशगवार गुजरा होगा और आप आइंदा भी पाकिस्तान रेलवे से सफ़र करना पसंद करेंगे। अल्लाह आपका हामी और नासिर रहे।
We've arrived at Karachi Kant Station. All these people wearing orange are actually helpers that can help you remove your luggage from the train for you. So I'm off the station, the train is behind me, and we're heading home. Alright guys, I'm ending the vlog. I'm officially off the train and I'm out of the train station, so we're going home. See you in the next vlog. Bye!